we're about to see. Let's go, some daily donuts, bro. What's good, bro? What size is this? 250. Would you be down to race or no? Just like to like second gear. I just want to see how fast this is compared to like a quad. Yeah, we can. Just like right on the road if you're down. All right. Let's freaking do it. We're about to hit a little race, quad, 250. You start, I'll follow. Woo! This be a haul, bro. Bro, the 150 is crazy. The amount of torque. Yeah, it's crazy because it's like a 150, but it feels like a 450. It's so damn powerful. I'm like, what the hell? It's nice. It's also a lot lighter than a quad, so. What where is this? 06. Nice. How's it going? I mean, I'm down to cruise with y'all if y'all go somewhere else. Yeah. I don't know if y'all are getting some mud and pretty good on them wheelies. Yeah, that's my specialty is wheelies. Little wheel ski behind the mudding boys. Woo! Little handoff, you know the vibe. Bro, I don't know where the boys are taking me. Hopefully they ain't taking me somewhere that they're gonna freaking steal my bike. Cause I don't know these guys at all. But my cool radar is saying they're dope, so. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're going off-road. We're probably getting a little muddy, dude. Let's go. Oh boy. Oh my god, that's deep. Bro, look how homie rip, dude. It's so freaking dope. We're on the sand section, boy. Yeah! Homie just went through the water so fast. I don't know if you can see that on the GoPro. Ooh, look at this berm, boy. Them big old berms out here. These quad riders are ripping it. He's on a mudding quad and he's just ripping through these trails. Bro, the mudding quads are like handling these bumps so well. I didn't expect that. Oh, there's a little jump right here. Woo! You do any wheelies on that?
Not really. I'm just trying to practice a little bit, but
okay.
I get nervous when I
yeah.
I'm like, oh, grab it back down.
Your rear brake work?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
I was watching videos on YouTube about how to do it.
It's all in that rear brake, controlling the rear brake, so you.
Gas it a little bit.
Yeah, exactly. You just got to keep it in that balance point. You be recording?
No, the knockoff from GoPro.
Ah, you got to record some videos out here.
The battery doesn't last but like 20 minutes.
Ah, damn, yeah. Alright, we're off, bro. It's a little rainy, so sorry if the cliffs get a little watery. Try to make I'll try to wipe off the camera, so. Bro, it's so funny. I just literally met up. I just seen them ride and then I just started talking to them and then now we're just cruising together, bro. It's a vibe. I just seen another dirt bike rider and I told him, I was like, come. But he didn't come, so. I'm going slow as hell. I don't want to get too muddy, man. Or slide out. Woo, let's go. A little whiskey. Oh. Oh my god, bruh. Woo. Last time someone got knocked out, this time we're mudding, boy. You never know what's gonna happen. Oh boy, it's muddy. I don't know. we're about to see. Alright. Thank you. You too. Darn. Well, shit! I'm gonna go head back to my car, dude. Well, what a flippin' day at the lot it has been. What a day it has been. Alright, well, they're flying. Woo! We're just coasting right behind them. What is that? Raccoon? Just seen a raccoon pass by. Keep calm and carry guns, bro. Look at his shirt, dude. That's some real Florida shit right there. They probably got a little strap on them, I think. I ain't gonna doubt it. Hey, they're flying. It's there. We're out here, bro. But like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I have my visor down, so it's sort of hard to see, like, the sand. Bro, the 150 is handling these it's handling these trails like a boss, bro. Don't really have that much tread on the back or the front. Just have enough where, oh, hold on, I gotta focus. Alright gang, well I hope you enjoyed today's video. As you've seen, we got freaking booted again, dude. Another day we get booted from a lot. But remember, stay motivated. I freaking love you. Merch in the description down below. Till next time, peace.